Questions 7 and 8 combine using the double-scaled syringe with having two different types of insulin in the same shot. So there's a lot going on here. My first step is to add them, and we get 60. So the 35, that's going to be my first mark, and the 60 is going to be my second mark. 35 is an odd number, so it's going to be on the left here. And 60 is a even number, so it's going to be on the right. Again, we don't mark all the way across. The two different types of insulin, though, when you shade them, then you can shade all the way across. So that's my first type of insulin, and then my second type is from here to here. Looking at number 8, I want to add 23 to 40 to get 63. So 40 will be my first mark, and 63 will be my second mark. So 40 is an even number, and it's on the right. And then 63 is an odd number, so it's on the left, and it will be my first mark above the 65. And then you can shade it. There's the first type, and here's the second type.